Hey nail tubers, what is up nailification squad? And I'm laughing because I'm thinking to myself, there's been a lot of brown boxes showing up in my videos lately, right? I should call them the brown box videos, but this package we picked up today from the post office and it's still sealed and I'm looking for which way it opens. I'm really excited about this. Okay, give me 1 second because I literally do not have any room to open it. I just wanted to show you the box. My gosh, everything's been going on, right? So yeah, I was saying I should call it like the brown box video, and then you guys will know it's a package opening because I think the beginning of quite a few of the latest videos or the most recent videos have been brown boxes. It's a lengthy box. Here, I'll show you. So it's got some length to it, and it doesn't seem to open the same way as everything else. Okay, so basically I got one end of it open and I'm just gonna take the contents out that way. There's stuffing. Oh my gosh, it's something heavy, or at least it feels like it is, unless it's a whole lot of stuff that's together and heavy. Which that's what it seems to be. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of stuff. There's my oh my gosh again, right? But I can't help it, guys. This is filling up the top of my desk. Guys, look at this stuff. I am going to have to sort through this. Okay, and before I take a pause to sort through this, guys, this came from DG. You guys are familiar with her. You know she's subscribed to the channel, been with me for quite some time. And I want to say, DG, has it been about since like this time last year maybe? I believe it has been since about this time last year. DG has sent me stuff before, and she reached out to me and said, hey, I want to send you stuff for your giveaway. Guys, oh my gosh, I gotta sort through this. DG, you are just blowing me away. Okay, let me sort through this and then I'm gonna get back to you guys. Okay guys, I have it all set up here and I'm going to read this to you that she sent. Like I said, she reached out to me. She DM'd me and said that she wanted to send me stuff for the giveaway. It says, Tommy, congrats on all your success. We all love your content, especially Masked Singer. Oh, Masked Singer, you know what? And I was just kind of sorting through some of those videos the other night too. And BOUJEE Nails on a Budget. Oh, BOUJEE Nails on a Budget isn't gone anywhere. It's just that, you know what, guys? I've been having companies reach out to me, and I've been working. I actually work more than one job. So, you know, keeping up the channel and stuff like that. I've been having to put stuff on days when I do BOUJEE Nails on a Budget, but it's not gone anywhere. Trust me. Thank you so much. It says, thank you for all the helpful tips and techniques. I'm so happy for you and can't wait to see you reach more milestones. Thank you, DG. Please accept these nail products as a small token of my appreciation. Wishing you all the best. Oh, P.S. We're finally getting some good weather. And she says that, guys, because she's in Illinois too. In fact, DG is really not that far away from me. Probably about, I think, 20 minutes, if that. So, yeah, we're really happy about the weather that we're getting these days, right? Summertime. Oh, I forgot something off to the side. So, I'm going to show you what she sent, guys. Oh, my gosh. You guys are just the best. Seriously, you guys are the best. So she sent 2 packs of foils, real pretty floral print nail foils. I'm not going to take them out because I don't want to take them out and handle them. And both packets seem to be either exact or very similar to each other. Here is some Cuticle Revitalizer Oil by, I don't know, it looks like it says Honey Nail, and it's in a strawberry scent. Ooh, so I would imagine this is a cuticle pen, which, oh, cuticle pens are so convenient, aren't they? You just use the oil, toss it in your bag, and keep it moving. She sent these gel polishes, and it's by a company called AWSM, which I believe it stands for Awesome Color. I'm trying to think. Awesome Color is stemmed off from somebody. I know I saw something recently. I can't think of it, but I'll probably mention it if I do during the course of the video. So there's that. And now, oh my gosh, guys, all these colors from Gelin. And you know what? Gelin was gelin and gelish at a point were like the gel colors that were being used even in nail shops. So there's 10 colors. I'm just going to leave those there like that. I just needed some room, so I moved those other 2 bottles away. Then there's 2 tubes of McCart Polygel, McCart extension gel. Might as well say Polygel in pink and white. You could do some pink and whites with that. And then the 4 large tubes, guys, of the Gershon Polygel. Oh my gosh. Then she sent this wheel of Nail Rhinestones DG. I think we got the same kind of taste, because I even got a lot of these. I used to collect them. I was going crazy over collecting these. Then she sent, and this looks like this came out of the McCart. She's got some good products here. I'm sorry. I'm shaking the camera because I was actually trying to move it while it's on the stand, but I was making it shake even more. 3D butterflies and some butterfly glitter. You could see it through the camera. And this looks like this is possibly from the McCart Mariposa collection. And the reason why I'm saying that is because I have that collection, and there's a video yet to be posted. The set is done and there's a video yet to be posted. So I seem to recognize that this is from that collection. And you know, McCart. McCart stuff is yes. Okay. Yes. So nice. And then, guys, seriously, look. She sent some McCart nail foil glue. This is some good stuff right here. I know there's other good foil glues too, but McCart is good. Really, really good. So I believe if I do a giveaway, and you know what I would prefer to do, I'm going to reach back out to her and ask her for suggestions on how she would like the stuff to be separated. For instance, instead of giving all 10 of these polishes, I would like to have 2 winners as opposed to 1, if you feel what I'm saying. You know, I just think that that would be so cool. You know, everybody gets a, you know, there's more chances, in other words, for somebody to get something. So to like separate some of the colors that are similar to each other and create 5 for somebody and another 5 for somebody. So I would like to talk to her or reconnect with her and see if she has any suggestions on how she would like it done. And I would do that for her since she sent it. Otherwise, I'll figure it out for myself. But yeah, guys, she sent this. And it's going to be for a giveaway. So I'm so excited. And there's some other stuff going on for the giveaway. I know I don't know by the time this is posted if I'll be at that point, but I know it's only a few people away. And I have to tell you guys, the reason why I haven't said anything is because there's been companies that have been getting back to me. So they're going to be company products for my 1,000 subscriber milestone giveaway, guys. So I'm so excited.